Everyone, in this particular video, we will be understanding stacks in C programming. Stack is a data structure, something over something or something over something. Push something from the top, we remove it from the top. Pushing it, popping it up. This is what we have to understand. We will construct a stack using array. So, in order to do that, we have created a sample array of size 100, where these are the indexes, and at every point there is an integer value inside the array. The code will start from the main, as you can see. So we initialize the string, initially top variable to -1. So there is a stop variable which is pointing towards -1. There is a pointer to the stack, and a top variable is initialized with -1. Then the top variable will tell us which is the topmost element, right? We push 10 in this. So you can see, since the array is not full, stack S, this is a pointer toward the stack we have created inside the memory. So since the stack is not full, uh, first we will check whether it is full or not. So top value right now is not equal to size -1. The size is 100. 100 minus 1 will be 99. So the top value is 99, that is not equal to 100. So the stack is not full right now. It will come back directly and increase the top value to 0. And at index 0, we fill the value at 10 and we print it that push 10 to the stack. And we are done. It goes back. Let's push 20. So in order to push 20, we first create a pointer towards stack and check whether the stack is full. Since stack is not full, it will increase the top value to 1 and at index 1, push 20. And print that, okay, we have pushed 20 to stack. So we can print the statement, push 20 to stack and return back. Now we push 30. First we check whether the stack is full or not. Since it is not full, we increase the top value and at index 2, we push 30. Now, what is the topmost element of the stack? So we can access the value present at index 2, which is 30. So 10 is there. Then above that is 20. Above that it is 30. So we will access the value I present at top. Since the stack is not empty, so first we will check whether the stack is empty or not. So what does mean by that, whether stack is empty? So stack is empty when the top value is equal to -1. Since top is not equal to -1, top is equal to 2. The stack is not empty. There are elements present in it. So what we will do, we will return the topmost element, which is 30. So 30 returned back, topmost element is 30. Now we pop the element. So popping means removing the element from the top. So we push 30, we will remove 30. How we will remove it? We put the value, decrease the value there. First we will check whether the stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then there is no element to pop. It is underflow. Stack is already empty. How do we check whether stack is empty? The index will be -1, the topmost index. It is not -1. So we get the popped item and we decrease the top value and then return the popped value. The top element after pop is 30. And after that, since we have decreased the top value, now the top value is 20. Popped element is 30. The top value after popping this element is 20. We can change one more thing here, that in the popping function, we can change this. We can also add this, that fill it with 0. That means nothing is there. Or maybe nullify it. Can nullify it as well. So let's visualize it. So let's quickly go to that step. We fill it 0. 0 means like nothing is there. We can possibly nullify it as well. Is there an option to do null? Let's check that. Why not? In C programming, maybe you cannot do that. We'll give it an add error message is there. So you cannot nullify it. First use it in this function. Exactly. So I just wanted to show what we are doing using stacks. I hope you are clear with the creation of stack. Like we can use a stack and we can create a stack using array. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.